Hi friends, thanks for being here. I'm going to show you how to, number one, get a Stacks wallet for the Chrome browser, and number two, how to join the mixmi and kywango communities on console. Console is like Discord but with Web3 superpowers. So we'll be able to do loads of cool stuff that you can't do on Discord. And it's really well designed and clean feel. So this is where we'll communicate for our projects and keep things fun and organized. Let's start by getting a wallet. Go to Chrome Web Store, go to Extensions, Hiro Wallet. I apologize if this is super basic for some of you. We're just starting from zero here. Okay, so I'm in Hiro Wallet, adding to Chrome. Okay, it's been added to Chrome. I like to go to this little blob up here and pin the wallet so it stays up there. So I just hit allow, create new wallet. This is important. Your secret key is how you keep control over your wallet. Nobody else should have this but you. And you have to keep this safe because there is no company who can help you get this back. You are controlling this. So I'm going to copy it to clipboard and paste it into a note or something. I paste it a few times in case I mess up and delete a word, which would be a little disastrous. I happen to know that the next step is to create a password, so I'm just going to put one right here in the notes. I'll just say, I don't know. Some kind of password, and I like to also keep the password's not such a big deal. That's easy to reset, but the secret key is the big deal. All right, so go back into here. So yes, I've backed it up. All right, here's where we paste in the password. And so we're in. If you click on the little Hiro icon up there, you'll see that there's this nice compact version of it. So you don't actually need that tab. You're good. You can just go up here. Now let's go to console. Launch console. And here's where we can log in. Now we have a Stacks wallet. Just choose our account. And notice that I don't have any crypto in here, so that doesn't matter. Cool, now we're in Console's landing page and their community chat. So you can get into here at any time and learn more about it. Right now, we're going to join the kywango and mixmi communities. I'm just going to go up here and go all the way back to the C/ there, see, and just instead type in mixmi. Join community. Don't worry about all this stuff now, just hit check wallet. And you're a member, so now you can create the profile. Let's call this, what should we call ourselves? Banana. Okay. Choose some kind of avatar. And if you want sort of a cool avatar that you like, you'll have to have an NFT, and I will show you how to do that in another video. Ta-da, and you're in. So this is the general chat, and let's now join kywango one. Just join that. Same thing, just hit check wallet for now. And we'll do the same one. You know, you can choose any of these at any time. You can change them, you can change your name. And if you do add NFTs, you can change that around. It's very flexible. Wonderful. Thank you so much.